Deep cleaning can often feel like a daunting task, a chore that looms large in our minds, often pushed aside for more pressing matters. However, the act of transforming a cluttered, dusty space into a clean, organized haven can significantly boost our mood and enhance productivity. With the right strategies and tools, deep cleaning can become not just bearable, but even enjoyable. Here are 12 deep cleaning tips and tricks that will not only make the process easier, but also leave you feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle your day. The first tip is to create a cleaning playlist. Music has an incredible ability to uplift our spirits and energize us. Curate a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to play while you clean. The rhythm will keep you moving, and before you know it, you'll be dancing your way through the dust bunnies. This simple addition can transform the cleaning experience from a mundane chore into a fun activity. Next, consider the power of the 1-minute rule. This strategy involves tackling small tasks that can be completed in 1 minute or less immediately. Whether it's wiping down a countertop, putting away a stray shoe, or discarding an empty coffee cup, these quick wins can create a sense of accomplishment and momentum. Implementing the 1-minute rule can help you maintain a cleaner space regularly, making deep cleaning less overwhelming when the time comes. A third tip is to use a vacuum with attachments. Many people overlook the versatility of their vacuum cleaners. By using different attachments, you can clean hard-to-reach areas like ceiling corners, baseboards, and upholstery. This not only enhances the cleanliness of your space, but also helps eliminate allergens, contributing to a healthier environment. Investing in a vacuum with a range of attachments can be a game-changer in your cleaning routine. The fourth tip involves the power of steam cleaning. Steam cleaners are incredibly effective at sanitizing surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. They can tackle everything from kitchen appliances to bathroom tiles, eliminating grime and bacteria. The heat from the steam loosens dirt and stains, making it easier to wipe away. This not only saves time, but also creates a more hygienic environment, which can positively impact your mood and well-being. Fifth, embrace the concept of decluttering before deep cleaning. Before you dive into scrubbing and polishing, take time to sort through your belongings. Donate or discard items you no longer need or use. This process not only clears physical space, but also creates mental clarity. A decluttered space can enhance focus and productivity, allowing you to approach your tasks with a fresh perspective. The sixth tip is to use natural cleaning products. Many store-bought cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can be overwhelming and harmful to both your health and the environment. Instead, consider using natural alternatives like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. These ingredients can be just as effective, often with added benefits like pleasant scents and reduced environmental impact. Making the switch can change your relationship with cleaning, making it feel less like a chore and more like an act of self-care. Seventh, create a cleaning schedule. Establishing a routine can help break down the deep cleaning process into manageable chunks. Designate specific days for different tasks, such as dusting on Mondays and kitchen deep cleans on Thursdays. This structure not only keeps your space consistently clean, but also reduces the overwhelming feeling that often accompanies an extensive cleaning session. Plus, knowing what to expect each week can help you mentally prepare for the tasks ahead. The eighth tip is to involve your family or roommates. Cleaning can be a social activity if approached correctly. Turn on your cleaning playlist, set a timer, and challenge each other to see who can clean the most in a set time. This collaborative effort can make the process more enjoyable and less burdensome. Plus, working together fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility for your living space. Ninth, consider the use of a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths are incredibly effective at trapping dirt and dust without the need for additional cleaning products. They can be used on various surfaces, from glass to wood, and can be washed and reused, making them an eco-friendly option. Incorporating microfiber cloths into your cleaning routine can streamline the process and reduce waste. The 10th tip is to take breaks. Deep cleaning can be physically demanding, and it's essential to listen to your body. Schedule short breaks to rest and recharge. Use this time to hydrate, stretch, or simply step outside for fresh air. These breaks can help maintain your energy levels and keep your mood elevated throughout the cleaning process. One particularly surprising or unconventional tip is to clean with a friend. This might seem simple, but the social aspect of cleaning with someone else can transform the entire experience. Not only do you tackle the task together, but you also have someone to share stories, laugh, and motivate each other. The camaraderie can make deep cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a bonding experience. Finally, once your space is clean, take a moment to appreciate your hard work. Light a candle, brew a cup of tea, or simply sit in your newly organized space. Reflecting on your efforts can enhance your sense of accomplishment and reinforce the positive feelings associated with a clean environment. In summary, deep cleaning doesn't have to be a daunting task filled with dread. By incorporating these 12 tips and tricks into your routine, you can transform the experience into one that boosts your mood and productivity. From creating a cleaning playlist to involving friends, each strategy offers unique benefits that can make cleaning feel lighter and more enjoyable. Remember, a clean space is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that fosters well-being and clarity. Embrace these strategies, and you may find that deep cleaning becomes a refreshing ritual rather than a burdensome chore.